How to use cash credit on Lazada. So first things first is of course access or pull up your Lazada application and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now you have to double check first if you have enough Lazada cash credit to ensure that you will be able to use it on any products that you'd like to check out. Now for you to check it, just simply go to your account located at the lower right portion of your screen, and then this is where you will be seeing your amount of the balance. It's gonna be under the My Lazada wallet. This is where your cash credit will be visible. Now for you to use it, you just simply go to your cart or just choose any products where you would like to use your cash credit. So say for example on this one, just head out to your checkout page, and if you scroll down under select payment method, Lazada Wallet will be able to be visible in there. So say for example you have enough credit to purchase that item, just simply choose on Lazada Wallet as your payment method and you should be able to use it without any problems. And that's how you use cash credit in Lazada.